Hi guys, welcome to Saudi foodie vlog. Today we are making fajita chicken. Any color capsicum, 200 grams. Chop like this. Small size onion 1. Boneless chicken, 200 grams. Cut the chicken like this. In a pan, oil 2 tablespoons. Boneless chicken. White pepper 2 tablespoons. Salt as per taste. Red chili flakes 2 tablespoons. Taco seasoning 1 tablespoon, optional. Mix everything. Fry the chicken until changes color on medium heat. Chopped capsicum and onion. Saute for 2 minutes. Add salt, pepper 1 tablespoon. Now add fried chicken. Mix everything. Now it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.